Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Euphoria. Today I am going to share with you a super tasty and super easy tiffin or nasta recipe, that is aloo ke paratha or aloo parota with wheat flour or atta. Here I took 2 potatoes to make 4 parathas. And first of all, to make this paratha, you have to peel and boil the potatoes. Boil it into the kadhai or use cooker. While boiling, add little salt in it. For cooker, medium the flame and wait for 1 whistle. Now take whole wheat flour and add little salt and refined oil. Don't take too much oil as we want to make the parathas soft then crispy. Now mix the flour and knead it with adding water. But don't add the water at a time, mix it slowly to get a perfect dough. Now cover the dough and leave it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the stuff or mixture. Here I am sharing 2 types of stuffing. For the first one, take out the boiled potatoes from the cooker and smash it. Now roughly grind 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger and 1 green chilli. Now heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, but not more than this as we need the stuff a bit dry. Now add half teaspoon cumin seeds and allow it to sputter for few seconds. Now fry 1 medium sized finely chopped onion. When it becomes transparent, add the ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon sugar to it. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of kasuri methi. Now pour the smashed potatoes and mix it well. Now mix half teaspoon or more roasted masala powder or chaat masala. Now take out the mixture and let it cool. For the second mixture, take boiled potatoes and smash it. Now add half teaspoon salt, 1 small size finely chopped onion, some chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoons of roasted powder. Now add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well and keep aside. Now take the dough and smear it again for a minute. Then make equal size of small balls from it. Now take the balls one by one, coat with flat dust and give it a shape of small rotis. Now put the stuffing and spread it evenly. Now cover it with another rotis and press the edges properly so that the stuff doesn't come out. You can make this paratha just by pressing it all over with your fingertips. You can also make it by using the roller. In this way, make a comparatively larger ball from this dough and put the stuffing inside it, then follow the next steps. Now take a flat pan, heat it on medium flame, add the raw parathas and bake it lightly. Now flip it and bake the other side for a few seconds. Fry it with adding oil, ghee or butter as per your choice. Flip the other side and fry again. When you see some small lumps on top of it, take out from the pan and serve it hot. You can serve it with curry, curd or sauce. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my channel Cooking Euphoria.